The Quick Way Bag Mockup in Photoshop. Open U Photoshop and open U Image. Go to the Select Object Selection tool and click on the lasso of the top and selection the bag. Then go to the Layer panel and press Ctrl J 2 times. Then go to the Image menu and click on the Adjustment to Desaturation. Then go to the Filter menu and click on the Blur to Gaussian Blur and Radius 3. Then go to the File menu and click on Save As. And delete this layer. Then go to the File menu and click on the Place Embedded and Place U Design and adjust the image. Right-click and select Pixel. Also click on the mask icon and background layer copy. Drag and drop layer. Change blending mode, normal to linear burn. Right-click and click on the Create Clipping Mask. Double-click on Design Layer. Press Alt key, increase the light scale. Then go to the Filter menu and click on the Distort to Displace, Horizontal Scale and Vertical Scale 10. And displace the image. And adjust the image. Now, we mock up a bag in Photoshop. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.